RV surge protectors are a critical line of defense for mobile electrical systems, guarding RVs against wiring faults, poor park power, and voltage surges from storms or utility issues. They can prevent damaged appliances, blown circuits, and safety hazards by providing circuit analysis, surge absorption, and fault indication before you plug in. In this review,
List number 1. RV Surge Protector 30AM. This EPL CESE model is a compact 30A surge protector with 10,000 joules of surge rating and an integrated circuit analyzer. It emphasizes safety with V1 flame retardant housing and a waterproof cover, and uses LED indicators to simplify plug-in decisions. It is priced as a budget option in the group, positioning itself as an introductory yet capable device for basic RV setups. The unit weighs approximately 1.94 pounds and ships with a protective cover designed to withstand rain, wind, and sand exposure while remaining portable for travel trailer use. Performance and use cases. With 10 kilojoule protection, this model covers typical camp surges and moderate weather events, but may be less forgiving in areas with frequent high-energy surges or extended power issues. The circuit analyzer can help confirm correct wiring and flag common faults, open ground or neutral, reverse polarity, etc. The waterproof cover adds confidence in rain-prone environments, though the enclosure footprint is modest, so users with covenanted cords or tight storage spaces should verify fit. The ergonomic handle and straightforward LED indicators minimize setup mistakes, making it accessible for first-time RVers.
List number 2. GearGo RV Surge Protectors 30A. GearGo's Orange 30A model ups the ante with 12,000 joules of surge protection and IP68 rated weather sealing, aiming at more exposed outdoor campsites and storm-prone areas. It includes a 3-year warranty and emphasizes rugged construction with ergonomic right-angle plugs designed to ease plugging, unplugging, and tight spaces. This unit positions itself as a premium budget option with enhanced protection features and a striking color for visibility on a campground pegboard. Performance and use cases. The higher 12 kilojoule rating translates to greater energy handling during voltage spikes, complementing the IP68 rating, which implies robust dust, water ingress protection. Circuit analysis remains at the core, with diagnostics covering correct wiring, open ground or neutral, reverse polarity, and hot and ground reversals. Users will benefit from the improved durability in extreme weather and in dusty sites, plus a longer warranty cushion. The orange color improves visibility for multi-unit setups, reducing cross-connecting errors in shared campgrounds. The trade-off is a higher price point relative to basic models, though the feature set aligns with routine RVers who value resilience and warranty support.
List number 3. GearGo RV Surge Protectors 30-amp RV Circuit Analyzer. This is GearGo's Gen 2 iteration with 8,000 joule protection, still maintaining full circuit analysis and IP68 waterproofing, but at a lower joule rating than the 12 kilojoule model. It emphasizes portability and an updated diagnostic chart labeled as 2025 upgrade with a compact footprint and a 3-year warranty. The orange variant signals consistency with GearGo's design language for visibility and rugged use. Performance and use cases. An 8,000 joule rating makes this more suitable for standard usage in well-managed parks or less volatile electrical environments, where it can still defend against typical surges and faults. The circuit analysis capabilities remain a strong point, ensuring you are alerted to wiring faults before plugging in. The IP68 protection helps in rain and dusty sites, and the built-in waterproof cover guards against weather-induced shorts. This unit offers solid value for campers who want Gen 2 improvements and strong diagnostic features without paying premium 12 kilojoule pricing, though it sacrifices some surge headroom compared with higher-end GearGo.
List number 4. GearArgo RV Surge Protectors 30-amp. This green variant mirrors the Gen 2 Genulus design with 12,000 J protection and IP68 rating, emphasizing visibility and environmental resilience. It includes a 36-month warranty and emphasizes a robust, ergonomic grip with a right-angle plug. The green color offers a distinct option for those who want color-coded gear for different vehicle setups or family units. Performance and use cases. The 12 kilojoule protection plus IP68 seal provides strong protection for severe conditions and prolonged exposure to weather. The unit's 3-year warranty mirrors the orange Gen 2 model, signaling Gear Argo's confidence in durability. The perceived benefit is the same surge capacity as the orange variant, with potential aesthetic preference driving the choice. The trade-offs remain similar: higher price than budget options and a similar footprint, though the color variant can help with organization in a busy RV life.
List number 5. PowerSafe 50 amp surge protector for RV accessories, RV voltage protector or monitor with surge protection. PowerSafe offers a 50A rated surge protector priced for notable outdoor use with a 4100J energy absorption capacity. This model targets higher amperage setups and includes a diagnostic LED, 3-level protection architecture, TVS, MOV, GDT, and weather-resistant construction. It's ETL listed and emphasizes sturdy handle design for easier plugging. The lower joule rating relative to GearGo's 12 kilojoule models signals a different protection philosophy, suitable for higher current systems but with less energy absorption per event. Performance and use cases. The 4100J rating means strong primary protection for 50A RV circuits, but it may be less forgiving against large, prolonged surges compared to higher joule GearGo units. The multi-tier protection approach provides fast response and robust fault handling, including reverse polarity and open neutral detection. It's designed for outdoor installations and features ergonomic handles, which helps with frequent plugging and unplugging in campgrounds. With a 30-day return window and 36-month replacement policy, PowerSafe offers solid after-sales assurance, though the fewer joules could be a consideration for power-heavy appliances or areas with intense electrical storms.